morning, everyone. I'm going to discuss the introduction about database management system today. As we all know, it is something we are using in day-to-day life. Apart from this theoretical knowledge, we first discuss what the data is all about. Everybody is using Facebook, and let me tell you, Facebook is one of the most popular site among you guys, which we use for the social meeting. For that, petabyte of data is being generating every day. Every day. Do you know we are uploading a photograph or we are downloading something? We are uploading a photograph, your friend is also uploading the photograph in the album of your Facebook. Let me tell you, across the globe, millions of the users is using that Facebook simultaneously. In the magnitude of petabyte, we have the magnitude of petabyte that is being generated every day. And this huge data organization is very difficult. In earlier days, we used to have the file management system. In the file system, we have a huge file where we dump the data, and that file is protected using password. But it is no longer useful because now the data is not in the magnitude of KBs and MBs. It is already in the PBs and entering into TBs magnitude. So we need a system which will take care of organizing such data. As we are working in a university, you are students, I am faculty, we need some database which will be able to access our profile, which will be able to give you the requirement. For that, database is required. So database is a large collection of data of an organization is known as database. In today's lecture, we are going to cover all these aspects of database management system, in which first comes what is the database management system. We store the data. Some raw facts are known as data. And that raw facts actually gives us some information. That information makes the data apart from knowledge. We use the data for everything. We need some software which actually help us to organize the data. We can access some queries or we can access some information using some tools. That database management system is all about. It is a software which is actually responsible for accessing that data that is depending on the query we use, and it is providing that data and retrieving that data fast and accurate. Because if we are accessing some information, that information is incorrect, it is of no use. We want some software which will be responsible for managing all those nitty-gritties that is revolving around the data. And that is done by database management system. So database management system contains information about a particular enterprise. It is a collection of interrelated data, set of programs to access the data, and it actually an environment it is both convenient and efficient to use. So this is all about the database management system. Earlier we used to have file system. In file system, the main drawback was requirement of extra memory. We are dumping our memory, 500 GB or the more than the couple of 500 GBs or couple of GBs, which is of no use right now. Database management system says just use that memory which is in current use. Otherwise, don't use. Otherwise, keep the data in some else part. In database application, everywhere database is using. And nowadays, as you very well aware about that, everybody is using the databases. If we are booking our tickets onto the internet, or we are booking any movie ticket, so everything is managing by the database management system. We have the database, and there is a manager who is actually looking for your data. That is known as the DBMS, or database management system. We have banking, airlines, universities, sales, retailers, manufacturing, and HR. Everybody is working under the database management system. Purpose of database management system was, basically in file system we had a lot of problems. Data redundancy and inconsistency that was removed in DBMS. Difficulty that we found in filing system that was eliminated in the database management system. Data isolation, multiple files and formats. That is another purpose of database management system. And in the database management system, we also use the concept of transaction. If we are using
हो गया
नहीं अभी तो